In this video, I will show you the interface of Google Advanced Search. So type anything here like live law, then press enter. Now click on the setting and you can see the advanced search option. Click here. So now we can see the advanced search and there are two layers of filter. So find page width, this is the first layer and it has 5 filter, and this is the second layer, it has also 8 filter in it. So let me show you one by one. All this word means it will search for all the word which we will type here. This will act as a double quote. This will act as a or operator. This will act as a minus operator, and this will act as a range like 100, 200, 300 from and to. So you can type here 10 to 500. We can further filter our result by language, region, last update, site or domain. So this will act as a site colon or site operator. Term appearing, safe search, file type, this is file type operator. Usage right. So in this way you can use advanced search to improve your research.